I've been making this dish ever since I got married, and everyone that tries it falls in love with it. It's layered, and first we start with mashing our potatoes and adding milk and salt. Then you add the chicken. This time I used Safa breaded chicken strips. It's actually way more convenient than preparing chicken. They're very flavorful and so crispy. I actually baked them and then I cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then I sauteed some frozen veggies. Sometimes I add some peppers, mushrooms, and onions. And then I make my bechamel sauce. So I layered it with mashed potatoes, my veggies, then the chicken. And then I add the bechamel sauce, which is made with flour, butter, and milk. I top it off with a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. And this is where you dig into the delicious layers of bechamel, cheese, chicken, and veggies. Try it and let me know how you like it.